Здравейте и добре дошли в днешното видео, в което Джош ще ме гримира. От тук нататък започвам да говоря изцяло на английски, за да може и той да разбира какво си говорим. А за тези от вас, които не са много запознати с езика, ще има субтитри. So I just said I'm gonna start speaking in English from now on, so you understand as well. Okay. Welcome to my filming area.
Здрасти, хора!
Здрасти, хора! When was the last time you were here?
When I was doing the thingy favorites.
Monthly favorites.
Yes, monthly favorites. Say, здрасти, хора! Коста, всичко шест! My eyes are so painful.
Painful?
From the lights.
Oh, I'm very used to it. Let's see.
Ah, wait. I need to get some help from WikiHow.
You can't be using help.
Are you serious?
Yes. You just have to.
I should have done this before. I should have done my research before.
Well, there is no research. I've put a lot of makeup in front of Josh. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. A lot of palettes. Some of them, a little hint, some of the palettes, this is a palette. So some of the palettes are not just for eyes. Some of them contain products. Sorry, that's the dog. Some of them contain face products. So you can open up stuff and decide. You have a bunch of brushes. You have a sponge.
Okay. Well, I know the first one, which is a foundation, I believe. Or is it primer? Aha! Do you have a primer?
I don't usually use a primer, but there is a primer here.
There's foundation.
Yes, well done.
There's lipstick, I guess.
Look around. Which one looks like a primer, like a cream that might go on the face?
Ah, maybe this one. Ah, yeah, it's a primer.
Yes, well done.
Okay.
This is actually this video idea. It started when you were picking up products from Pick and Dazzle box, when you picked the products in the box.
Oh yes. I remember this palette.
Yes, this palette you've chosen. So I've put all the products.
This is what YouTube people do, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know why I did that, I just wanted to do it.
Do you feel like a beauty guru now?
Yeah.
So I've mixed the Pick and Dazzle products and my products, so...
That was such a long time ago, I don't remember. This is the only thing I remember.
You got this as well, which is a BB cream. It's Korean brand, Misha. I love Misha.
Misha? Yeah, I know Misha. BB cream, what does BB cream mean?
It's like foundation.
I'm just gonna sort it out so I know what's what. Gonna take some time.
Yeah, you will.
Foundation, we have a palette, we have palette, a bronzer, okay.
You're a little out of frame.
Ah, sorry, that's another palette, highlighter. This is so confusing.
What look are you going for today?
I have no idea, I haven't thought about it.
I see you were very prepared.
Are you not gonna help me what this is?
No, I'm not gonna tell you.
Seriously, what is this?
I don't know. You should know. What goes on the face? Foundation, bronzer, highlighter, and something else. Something pink.
Lipstick?
No, on the face, on the cheeks.
On the face. Blush.
Blush, yes.
Oh, so this is a blush?
Yes, it is.
Ah, okay. I think I've seen Eva using this.
Yes, kind of Eva is the one who recommended me this.
I don't remember what it was for. This is going so well, isn't it? For you, at least.
It's going really slow for me.
Mascara? Okay, I'm guessing these are all mascara stuff. Okay, so.
What about this?
What does that even do? It's just massaging your face, right?
Yeah.
Well, why is it here? We don't need it.
To confuse you. Some people do. I massage my face before I put cream on.
We're not putting any cream on.
Okay.
Are we? Okay, now we're gonna start. I think I'm just gonna do this. Put a fair... Not fair bit, just only a little bit.
Very little bit.
Very little, okay. Then more. Is this too much? I'm just gonna do this.
Okay.
Forehead.
I like your technique. Tapping. Oh, that's a little...
I think it's a bit too much. No, it's actually not... Oh, okay, I think it is a bit too much.
I feel beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you for rubbing this on my shoulder.
Oh, this is too much. This is definitely too much.
It is. What are you doing? Just spread it. Spread it on my face. Okay, that's also a new technique.
This is seriously way too much.
Not on my eyes. This doesn't go on eyes.
Oh, does it not?
No.
Why?
Because it's not eye primer. There is also such a thing as eye primer.
There is?
Yeah.
Why do you...
Be more gentle. Thank you. Can I get a kiss?
No.
Please.
When the makeup is done.
Kiss me.
When the
Kiss me.
When the makeup
Kiss
is
me,
done.
please. Please kiss me. Kiss me so I have energy to continue. Kiss me now.
Alright, so I think it's foundation time.
Yes, it is.
Don't I need to go and wet?
And that's damp already.
Looks a bit dirty though, no?
Yeah, it is.
I have seen people putting a fair bit of foundation like this.
Yes, very beauty guru like.
But I think this is too little, so I'm gonna put... Yeah! I'm putting this much on. I don't know if you can see, but anyways, and then you just dab it.
Yeah, are you having fun?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know if it's too much.
No, it's fine. You just have to blend it.
Blend it. I'm very good at blending.
Let's see.
I've always been good at blending.
Wait, let me just sit like this.
I've always been good at blending, but that was only with pencils, color pencils.
Oh yes, in school you used to draw, and I can actually show people your drawings of me.
Yeah, but not with the sponge. I never used the sponge to do anything.
Ruby,
Yeah?
you know how we have a reservation for dinner tonight?
Yeah. Are you gonna go with this?
Yeah.
Nice!
I will, so please make it look normal.
I'm trying my best, if you didn't know.
I'll challenge myself and go with this makeup.
Go like this. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, the nose, you know. Have you seen me do this?
No. Close your mouth.
You are a bit too rough.
Am I?
Why does this foundation look so white? Oh, maybe because it's compared to my shoulders.
Oh.
You see? But
Did I put too much?
No, I use this every day. It's just compared to my shoulders.
That's a hint, isn't it? So I do this. I mean...
Ow, babe, Booby!
Wait, babe.
Booby, this is painful. You can't just poke me in the eye. Or in the nose.
You need to cover everywhere, even inside.
I hope something comes out of there.
Do I need to do your ears?
No, my ears are fine. Okay. It looks okay. But
Do you want me to poke your eye?
No.
Come on. Open your eyes. Yes, there you go. I look dark.
because you are dark and my shoulders are really dark. But you can even this out and make it bronzed.
Is it bronzer time? It's bronzer time.
It's not bronzer time, but bronzer can help with this. Before bronzer, maybe there are some other things you could do.
Concealer!
Yeah.
I do remember you putting concealer underneath your eyes. Bop, 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 bop.
Do I look pretty?
And maybe on your nose. Maybe on your forehead. Maybe it wasn't concealer on your nose. Because it's whiter now. It's whiter.
That's the point of concealer.
Really?
To brighten up. Yes, the concealer should always be lighter than your foundation.
This is some precision work.
But why do you think it takes such a long time to do?
I don't see the difference.
To people with like dark circles, you can really see a difference.
It's looking not so bad.
Of course it's not. I have trust in you.
Ah, remember, this is a setting thing. Powder.
Yes, it is.
You need this. And then do I go like this?
If you want.
Ha! Do that again. Ha! So I think now it's your eyebrow time.
My face is done skin-wise.
Is it not?
Am I not a bit too white?
Ah, okay, fine. You need to do bronzer. Can I not bronzer? Can I not bronzer you later?
Yeah, you can. You can bronzer me later if you want. Continue with the brows.
Brow sourcils kit.
Yeah, you can use a pencil. Do you want me to give you a pencil?
How do you do this? You don't. Ah, this is pencil. Found it.
This is my favorite pencil.
Is it?
Yeah.
So I think you first need to go. Why do you have to brush anyway?
To make the hairs align.
They're already aligned.
Sometimes they aren't. Sometimes they're all over the place.
What do you do with your eyebrows so it's all over the place?
I don't know. I touched them. Which reminds me, I have to do your eyebrows.
So now it's drawing time. Do you have any pointers for me to do?
No. Okay. Is that how I should be?
Oh
told you to be more gentle. I'm so comfortable. Is it good?
No.
I think you're too much in my personal space. If you were a makeup artist, I'll fire you.
You would?
For being inappropriate.
Some people won't find me. They would love it. Oh my god, Josh is so close to me. I love him.
It's supposed to look. It's supposed to look like natural, like real hair. Does it look natural?
Nope. Yeah, no. I messed it up.
Please be in frame.
Sorry. I'm just getting so into it. Okay, so we have two bronzers.
That's bronze.
Darkless bronzer. I think this one looks darker. I give up. And then I go like this. No. No.
Oh.
No.
Does it look nice? Oh my god! Oh my god!
You said bronzer make it darker, so I'm going to go over. I'm gonna look like an idiot, aren't I? I'm gonna blend it out.
Sure.
I think you're gonna have to redo your makeup before going out. Turn around. Yeah. Oh yes, blend it. Blend it. I think you got slapped 1,000 times across your face.
I wish I could see. I wish.
Now, I think it's your eye time. So now we go to the palette. I have perfect idea.
Please, you need to make me look nice.
You're gonna have to redo it anyway.
No,
so.
but you can't take the piss and like.
I'm not. I'm gonna make you look fantastic, phenomenal. So we're gonna use this palette.
It's also cream.
It's cream?
Yes, this is cream product.
I've seen you doing this. Oh.
Show people what you're doing. Are you doing swatches?
Sorry.
This is called swatching. I think the only appropriate brush.
Yes, is this.
And maybe this. Make me look pretty.
Don't worry, you're gonna be absolutely stunning. I'm not sure if I should go like this or in circles like this. Yes, it applies like this.
This is actually a nice color. Somewhere between blue and green.
I'm so scared now. Oh. Up to where are you supposed to put it on?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It depends on what look you're going for.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna close your eyes.
What? Am I pretty?
You look very pretty, baby.
Thank you. Very reassuring when you just burst out laughing when you look at me.
Oh, this is... I'm sorry.
Oh, you're going into now powdered eyeshadow.
Yes.
There is a mirror. I don't want to see myself because I think I'll run away. Now with these shadows, you can use whatever brush you like.
Oh, I think it's gonna turn out great.
Do I look like a mermaid?
You always look like a mermaid to me.
Really?
A mermaid princess.
Oh.
I just want to give up.
Why?
I want to give up now.
You can make it better.
I genuinely can't.
I'm sure it's beautiful. You can do eyeliner.
Yeah, well, no, nothing is gonna make it better.
You can leave it. It's okay. You can give up. You can do eyeliner if you want. Do you think you'll be good with eyeliner?
You know, like my self-esteem right now just gone down. Like, well, it's just gone out the window. How'd you do this every day? I'd go crazy if I had to do this every day.
Why do you think I'm crazy?
You know, I've actually seen on the internet people like put something on like this and then they draw a line. Is this what this is used for?
Yes, yes. This is eyeliner.
And do you also do it on the bottom of the eye?
No.
You know, actual paper and human skin is very different. Stay still, otherwise I'm gonna poke your eyes.
Oh my god, are you drawing eyelashes? Oh my god, what the What are you doing?
We need to do the bottom.
The bottom, okay.
Yeah, bottom of the eye.
You can put eyeshadow.
Do this. Oh gosh. Do you know what I'm making you look like?
Like what?
That you've actually properly been beaten up and you got black eyes. Oh gosh. People that messed it up. Ah, mascara.
It's L'Oreal.
It's L'Oreal.
It's my favorite mascara.
Is it?
Yes.
Close your eyes.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Don't worry. I'm just not making it any better.
Mascara always helps.
Why? I'm putting all over your eyes. Open your eyes.
What are you doing? Oh my god, Bobby, what are you doing? Am I done?
No. Eyes.
Eyes.
Not eyes. Lips.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I think it'll go well now. What kind of mouth shape, lip shape would you like?
My own? Did you just burp in my face?
Yeah. Sorry. Okay, now. To fill.
To fill with a completely different color. I'm at the doctor.
Hey, why are you ruining my makeup?
Oh, sure I am. Can I see it now?
Of course you can. Da, da, da.
Oh my god.
The lips, I think I like the lips the best.
Yes, they go with the eyes. You know, if you didn't... No. Actually, no. I have nothing good to say. I think foundation is good.
Foundation, really?
I think you apply the foundation evenly. Okay, well, thank you for being on my channel.
Thank you, people, for seeing me.
Please comment underneath the video and write something encouraging to Josh. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't.
Oh, I wanted to say hi to the people. Yes.
No, you're too big to be on camera. No, say hi. No. Say hi.
No.
No.
Oh no, what about the line? That's целувам ви. No, шелувам ви.
Целувам ви.
Целувам ви.
Прегръщам ви.
Прегръщам ви.
И до скоро.
И до скоро.